I remember. As a little girl, I used to. Those are locusts. They say that when you hear the locusts, that fall is not too far away. Or autumn, they would say. Because the leaves will start to fall. Time to harvest some more things. But I just remember as a little girl sitting over at my uncle's and just listening to all the locusts. And they used to take the locusts off the trees. My older cousins used to take the locusts off the trees with a stick and chase the younger ones. I'm like, I ain't scared of that. I ain't scared of that thing. And I petted a few. I was like, I'm so not afraid. I'll pet it. They was like, what? I was like, I'm gonna pet it. It's like, yeah. When they found out they couldn't scare me, they went on and tried to scare some other people. And I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. Okay. So, just to hear that sound, and it makes me think I'm about to go fall asleep somewhere and get some rest. Because it's such a soothing sound. Listen. I love it. Okay. All right, on that note, you guys, y'all continue to be beautiful with yourself. I came in to just tell y'all about that real quick. Hug a tree and kiss the sky and always fly high. See ya.